Guys, good day to all of you. It's me again, Lucas is like 21. Ayan guys, background ko si Lucas so I can see him eating kasi he's having breakfast. It's, what is this? Bit lazy day today. Pero even it's lazy day, Naomi is in school. So, this is it. My house time, me time, and Lucas time. Ayan guys, I had a phone call today about Lucas Audiology. So yesterday, supposed to be, we have 9:30 a.m. telephone call appointment about the portage of Lucas. So it was canceled again for the second time kasi last week it was canceled because Lucas had an emergency blood test and Naomi had an emergency blood test as well. Supposed to be October 1st and October 2nd. It was moved forward. So we already made that last week, Thursday. And yesterday, it was canceled again 9:30 in the morning kasi siguro busy rin yung yung lady na sa amin mag-a-assist about portage. So tomorrow we still have 9:30 telephone appointment about portage again kasi it's session by session. So we missed already many appointments last month and then 2 appointments last week tapos yesterday. So hopefully tomorrow maano na siya it will magiging okay na 9:30 tomorrow, Thursday. And then I got a letter about Lucas cardiology appointment in LGI hospital. So oncoming 7th of October, so we will go to hospital to Jubilee Wing LGI para sa cardio appointment ni Lucas because of his heart operation last year na ABSD. So he need a follow up. And then after that, I just got a phone call from Harrogate Hospital for his audiology. So that will be on Monday. And then we have another appointment on Santander Bank on Monday morning as well. So, hindi naman kami masyadong ganun ka-busy, guys. Busy kami. Anyway, so, I hope the weather will cooperate with us. It's getting colder now, so, it will be a little bit, a little bit challenge for me to go on hospital in appointment, and Naomi have a school, so I don't want Naomi to miss her school. So I asked some of my friends to collect her just in case I will not be on time na hindi kami makakauwi because cardio appointment ni Lucas is 11 a.m. in the morning. So after I drop Naomi in the school, I need to go to bus stop, go to Harrogate, and then Harrogate to Leeds, and then yun na, appointment na, and then after that, go straight na sa bahay. So mag-unboxing tayo, guys. Na-share ko lang yung appointment ko. So hindi naman pwedeng puro chika-chika na lang, diba? Isang araw nag-chika-chika na ako 18 minutes. Alam ko na bored na kayo. So we're going to unbox this, guys. Ano siya? It's a sling bag for telephone. So, feeling ko hindi siya advisable sa akin kasi lagi akong may extra phone. Pero maganda siya. Oh, I think it's right. It's nice. Maganda siya, guys, kasi you can put your cards here, and then ito yung mga uso ngayon eh. Anyway, and then ayan, meron siyang the sling is inside. Ayan, pang sling siya. Ayan, di ba? Phone dito, cards dito. So you can put cards here. Ayan, cards. Gustong-gusto ko yung design. Kaso, being a mom, may sling bag ako, dalawa. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys, saglit lang, kuhain ko.
I just love surprises. Smashing.
Gustong gusto ko to, binili ko siya. Ngayon, iniisip ko, paano ko siya gagamitin. Hindi naman ako pwedeng lumabas na cellphone ng andala ko kasi lagi ako may dalang extra ID, ganyan, or extra baby wipes, or kung ano man ang mga just in case emergency, lalo na ngayon face mask, di ba? So maganda siya guys, kasi meron siyang tatlong malaking tapos ito malalaking. It has a 3 big
Surprise!
enough compartment here. So, just in case, like example, if I will go to Lucas appointment letter will not be just fit here and
Play with my big
yung letters ni Lucas. And then, so let's try this one. Ha?
It's very messy.
So,
Is it? Oh,
Yes.
okay naman siya.
Are you going to tidy up before you go and play?
okay.
So, let's try, di ba? Yung iPhone ko. So, pwede naman pala siya. Ayan, pwede naman siya. There and there.
Come on.
I know.
Kaso, parang
I finished.
pahirapan naman na siya sa
Wait.
Pahirapan na siya sa pag-close.
It's messy.
So, hindi mo na lang siya i-close. Nakanganga naman siya. Or else, let's put the phone there on the inside
Hey.
and then close this. Ayan. Safe naman na siya. Hindi mo pa rin siya makuklose. So, good lang siya sa isang cellphone. So, as usual, bumili na naman ako ng something. Anyway, magpapasko naman. Dito mo ilalagay yung sling niya. Kaya kapag bumibili ako, I don't open it all. Because, alam mo yun, just in case hindi ko gusto. Maganda. It's a leather. It's a OP leather. So, it was nice. Maganda siya. So, my case, ito. And then, I will put it inside.
Harry, I can lift it.
Let's see if it's fit and it will close. Hirap siya.
You put two
I'm struggling on the edge. Here, on the corner. Kasi, ano siya, yung case of my phone. Hindi na bulky yan ha. Hindi na siya bulk pero ano pa rin siya. So, ganyan. So, X na to sa akin. So, ibibigay ko na to sa mapupunta na to sa BBBB. Alam nyo ba yung BBB? It's a balikbayan box, guys. So, mapupunta na to sa BB box. Ayan, let's put them back.
the kitchen is very dusty.
Ganyan siya.
Yep.
Let's put it back. Okay to if you will go to Forma and then you can put your ID here and ID there and ATM there and then close it. So, let's put it back. Put it back. So, Christmas is coming. Someone will have it. My younger sister and the other one, they just like having a small bag like this or may pamangkin.
There's only one Mr. Tumble. One Mr. Tumble.
Goodness.
Oh, hello. Good. I'm going to play football.
Put it back. Put it back.
Right. Now let's go.
Cute, cute. It was so cute. It was so cute. So, hindi lang siya, it doesn't meet, it meet my expectation but hindi lang na-meet yung space na gusto ko. And then, this is what I have. This is my favorite na mga pang everyday use at the moment. Pwera na lang, except from baby bag carrier ng mga bata. So, yes. So, this is what I have. So, ayan, medyo, siya, okay siya sa loob. So, it's getting colder now here, guys. So, I'm already bringing my, anyway, this is 365 days in my bag. Dito lang siya. Ayan. Inside my bag, I have, ayan, hindi ako nawawalan ng supply. Even though hindi na ako nakakapag-supply. Tissue, lip balm, Vaseline, and Avon na pabango. And then I have a small paper here. Ayan, I have a small paper booklet here. It's a small paper na if just in case I have something to write down. So, it's a Paw Patrol. And then, an iPhone charger. May iPhone charger. Ayan. Madali kasing malubat yung iPhone ko. It's already 5 years. Magpo 5 years na kasi yung iPhone ko. And then, I have this for Naomi. Just in case. I always have just in case. A car to make her happy sometimes when they are bored in traveling or when I go anywhere. I have a little small car for her. Just to make her happy sometimes. Kasi minsan they are boring, diba? Whatever I give to her. So, ayan. Ito lang yan dyan. Yan lang yung laman ng bag ko. And then, I have a nappy bag. So, some will go there. Ayan. So, sa Samsung ko naman, I'm not bringing charger. Pero, I have extra charger. I also have a pen. Ayan. Barclays pen pa yan. No? Galing pa yan sa Leeds last year. Kaya meron ako laging pen. Hindi ako nawawalan ng pen sa bag ko. And another pen. Ayan. Another pen pa yan sa loob ng bag ko. I always have extra pen. And then, I will put my cellphone here. And then, there. Ganyan. So, kapag sinusundo ko si Naomi, I put this and this. Ayan. Mga ganyan yung mga eksena ng mga nanay. Tubig ng bata or gatas ng baby. At tinapon na ni Lucas ang kanyang pagkain. So, I will give him another chicken. He is eating chicken breast. So, ayan. And then, in the side, yan, I have this. Binili ko siya. And then, napi sack. Just in case we go outside and then, when you eat, ayoko magtapon ng basura anywhere. So, I always have extra plastic bag on my bag. Or just in case na biglang umulan and then if mawet yung bagay-bagay, I have to put my gadgets in plastic bag. So, para very sure na hindi sila mababasa. And then, mask. I always have mask. So, hindi ako nagdadala ng isang mask lang. So, usually, meron akong 2, 3, or 4, ganyan. And then, this is McDonald's discount coupon. Just in case na maligaw kami kung saan man. At least meron ako, diba? I'll just have to check the date. So, it's still valid until 11 of October. Ayan, guys. Ayan yung laman ng bag ko. So, ganyan ang ginagawa ko. Tapos, ina-hide ko lang. Ayan. Kapag binuksan mo yung bag ko, so, makukuha mo yung cellphone ko, yung suklay ko, tapos 2 ballpen, tissue, lip balm, pabango, at gatas ni Lucas. Ganon. Ganon kaliteral eh. Ay, minsan, wala naman akong phone dito. Puro gatas ni Lucas or ano ni Lucas. Basta something for Lucas and Naomi lang yung nasa loob ng bag ko. Ganyang kaliit kapag mabilisang malapitan lang yan. Maybe it's only about 1 to 2 meters. 1 to 2 kilometers away lang yan. That is the Naomi's school. 500 meters away. Or 1. And then, ito rin yung dinadala ko lagi. Ito na yung pinakamabilis kong dinadala kapag mabilisan talaga. As in, if I knew that I will just go in the corner na hindi kami tatagal ng 30 minutes. Ito na yung mabilisan na dinadala kong bag. Because maliit lang siya, but it will fit my 3 cellphone or kung ano man ang pwede kong i-fit dyan. Pero syempre, hindi katulad ng DKNY na may ilalagay akong what is this? May ilalagay akong gatas at saka drinks ni Lucas. So, as usual, I have, ayan, may mask ako dyan. Ayan, may mask ako dyan. Another mask. Tapos, another disposable mask. Diba? And then, suklay ulit. Suklay ulit. Nauso na ngayon yung front cam camera on cellphone. A long time ago, I can't go out in the house kung wala akong salamin. I always traveling with mirror, guys.
Trophy.
Pero before,
You sign.
lagi talaga ako may salamin sa bag. Meron pa rin naman ako salamin, pero hindi na ano. Alam niyo yung salamin ng mga pang makeup, yung may kasamang lipstick. Ganun yung mga salamin ko sa bag. So, maliit lang to. So, inside my bag,
Oh, hello.
hindi rin ako basta-basta nagtatapon ng
I'm going to
resibo or ganito. If sobrang liit ng bag ko, kagaya nito, di ba? Ang liit-liit niya. Hindi ako basta nagtatapon ng mga resibo kasi
my best friend.
if, ayan na naman, meron na naman akong if in case I have something to wrote down na hindi ko pwedeng makalimutan or dahil sa makakalimutan ako, I'm gonna wrote it down on that. And then I also have a pen, o di ba?
It's Baker
Sponsored by
Tumble
MoneyGram.
Bakery.
I have a pen inside, and then I have a candies.
This is the way
I have candy, yan.
Para
And gamot, paracetamol. It's a fisherman's friend, guys. Maanghang-anghang to eh.
Hello.
Menthol. And then, yan, sa loob ng bag ko, ayan na naman ang bag ko. Wala siyang laman. Siyempre, partner sila. Ayan, partner sila. Si Doggy.
Well, you've
Ayan.
come to the right place. Now,
Ayan, barya na lang yung pera ko, guys. O, tingnan nyo. O, barya na lang.
I'll ask
So,
my
barya na lang yung
friends.
pera ko.
Hang on a minute.
And then, yan. So, ito, pwede kong ilagay yung dalawang cellphone ko. Ayan,
Could we
ganyan
have
siya,
a
diba?
chocolate cake, please? I've
Oh.
got just the thing.
So, I was just a little bit sad kasi maliit yung nabili kong ano. Though, okay naman siya. Diba? Ayan. Anong pinagkaiba-iba? Ito, pang ano lang to, pang gala-gala lang siya. Pang forma-forma. This, ayan. Ito pang mabilisan lang to, 10 to 20 minutes. Ganyan yung mga pagsusunduin ko lang si Nayobe at wala na akong ibang pupuntahan. Ito lang yung dinadala ko. I can't leave my phone.
For the puppy.
I cannot leave my phone kasi like sometimes may mga emergency call ako sa hospital or sa mga appointment ni Lucas, ganyan. So, I always have my phone on me. Ayan, ganyan. Kahit walang load. So, di ba? Ayan yung bag ko.
I wonder where Mr. Tumble is going.
Ayan.
Well,
What's inside
I
my bag?
don't know.
Kakasad, hindi siya kasha. Kasi di ba tayong mga babae, we want
I
something
gave it
different
to
to
my
our...
friends.
Pero ito yung mga bag na ginagamit ko everyday. Alternate. Kapag susunduin ko lang sa school si Naomi, this one. Kapag lalabas ako, like pupunta ako sa shop, ito. Kasi makakapagpasok ako ng
Thank you,
bukas
Mr.
dito.
Tumble.
So guys, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Mr.